Okay, I believe I'm in somewhere called the Let's Cultural District. I was just walking around in there, and I'm gonna do like one about all Zhuhai, but then that district was so cool. And there's a big sign over there that said Let's Culture. That's right over there. So LETS. So I just did this little video. I just filmed a little bit in that space right there. So we're in Zhuhai, and it's just kind of a cool little space. Let me just see. I'm gonna pop up the map real quick. And on the map it says we're here. Oh, that's kind of cool. Got all kinds of cool stuff in here. So on the map it says that we are right in this space. So Zhuhai, I'm looking for something called London Lounge, but that's kind of the context of it. So anyways, let's go down there and explore. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so this is where they dropped me off at. So I think the London, let's see. Kind of figuring this out. I haven't been to this spot yet before, but it looks like we have a bunch of shops. We got black and white, and we're gonna just kind of explore and see what we got in this area. Watermelon, cold drinks, and that taxi was only 21 yuan, which is okay. There's already interesting stuff already. Actually, this is a little community of like coffee shops. It's like something called Favorite. The taxi dropped me off down there. I'm gonna look for a London Lounge, but it's kind of cool. It's a giant coffee shop. So I think this is kind of like a coffee shop area. Favorite. And there's that giant coffee cup right there. Okay, so we're gonna walk down a little bit, and I think what we can see, that Favorite looks kind of cool too. That's so interesting. I just didn't really know. I don't know Zhuhai at all, so I'm kind of getting to know it a little bit. And check this out. This is a little thing for kids and bikes. So these kids can go up and down these, wow, that's so cool. That is really, really cool. So it's a little park for bikes. Let's just check that out real quick so you can see. Wow. Let's see how he does. Whoa, that looks really cool. That looks like it'd be fun for kids. That looks pretty cool. That looks amazing. So yeah, a little thing for kids, and then you also have some nice artwork as well. So check out that artwork too. Zhuhai has some pretty cool stuff. So we're gonna walk down this way a little bit. So yeah, I just hadn't seen anything quite like that before. Here's a bunch of bikes right here. So it looks like you can rent bikes here and bring the bikes over there. So I think that's for kids. And we're gonna take a look at some more stuff in here. Taste of Time. So you got lots of coffee shops too around here. So we're gonna just go right down this little alley right in here. There's an English school too. Huh. We can just kind of walk through here a little bit. Dang, this looks pretty cool. I didn't know that Zhuhai was, it's funny. Spent 10 years in Macau. Granted, COVID, we couldn't really go anywhere. Pika Game House. What the? Let me just kind of go in here and see what this is all about, because it looks like there's more stuff all the way in here. You can see this is a little alley. Looks like a school. Got handcrafts, under tree handcrafts. So I guess we'll just go back into this. Those chandeliers. Pika Game House. Huh. Didn't know that they had this kind of stuff here. Got like art stuff, handcrafts, coffee shops. Got a lot of coffee shops actually. I don't know where this Londoner is. We're gonna try to find the Londoner Sneaker Spa. Huh. This looks really cool as well. It's like a little bookshop. It's amazing. That's a nice little boutique, all kinds of stuff. Yeah, you know what? I think I'm just gonna give like a little tour of Zhuhai today and just kind of see what we can see. And then later I'll figure out what these neighborhoods are, figure out where I am, and then we'll try to do something a little bit different like that. Man, very, very interesting. I'm just gonna walk down here. I just want to see, I gotta try to find that Londoner Lounge, since that was one of the goals today. Oh, there's more stuff in here too. Let's just kind of see what this is all about. It's kind of cool. Oh, so you got tattoo shops in here as well. It's really cool. Looks like a little bit of a Instagram area. Let's walk in this little space in here too. I think that looks really cool. Huh. Looks really cool. What can we? So they got a lot of looks really amazing. Oh, okay. This kind of leads back into that same little space. Man, there's so much cool stuff in Zhuhai. What? It's called the Nick Mushroom. Wow. Okay, I gotta get to know Zhuhai better. Dang. There's all kinds of cool stuff in here. How do I find this place again? Dang. Okay. So I don't even know where to begin in this space. So I think what I'm gonna do is we're gonna explore more of Zhuhai. And yeah, I got the White House galleries. Man, Zhuhai is awesome. Just didn't know. Actually, that's kind of cool too. That's really cool. Okay, that looks amazing as well. Okay, so I'm gonna try to find the Londoner. So much cool stuff everywhere in here. So yeah, that was kind of a cool little area. So we're just gonna walk around a little bit. I'm not 100% sure. I know the Google Maps doesn't work very well here, so that's one of my issues. It's kind of cool little bike. I see those everywhere in Zhuhai. But we're just gonna kind of meander. I'm looking for the Londoner Lounge. So we'll see if I can stumble upon it somehow. We'll see. Nonetheless, we got some pretty cool stuff everywhere. Okay, we're back at the coffee shop spot again. We are at a pretty cool spot, so. And I guess I'm gonna look for like Daishan Road. That's what I think I'm looking for. So we're gonna see if we can even find it. And then if we can, we'll try to find to this Londoner place. So let's see how close we are. But I do know that this is actually the Let's Cultural District. So you do see all these kind of art shops, coffee shops way up in the windows like that. There's a lot of coffee shops in this area. And we're gonna attempt to find the London Lounge, it's called. Let me just see here. Dialogue Theater. So it's called Let's Pop Culture Zone. Let's Cultural District. Library, live house. So we're on Lewan Road, Jinji Road. So it looks like Daishan Road. So that's basically the context of where we're at. So I think we're gonna walk up that way, just kind of see if we can find our way. Okay, so I keep seeing more stuff. There's actually, it's like a red London phone booth up there. That could actually be where the Londoner Lounge is at. And then you kind of have a lot of, there's a lot of stuff that I just don't know. I just haven't really explored this area to really know it. But we're gonna try to go down a little bit further down and just see a lot of wedding shops too. There's like a hers right there. Kind of interesting area. So we're on Luwenlu for reference. Luwenlu. Hello. Hello. How are you? So we're gonna keep on looking for our spot. I think it's gonna be in here somewhere, but I just don't know. Let's Art Gallery is in here as well. Yeah, people are really friendly. Noodle shop. So we're gonna meander through this way. Playground. So I don't know, that Londoner might be up the stairs a little bit, or it could be somewhere else in here as well. Let me just see. But you definitely have a lot of, oh wow. Okay, I might just end this here for this particular I just want to say this is in Hengqin as well, so it's kind of cool to see this artwork again. That's pretty cool. This is what I'm looking for. I might ask around and see if I can find it. It's got to be in here somewhere. It feels like it's the spot. Man, there's so much cool artwork everywhere in here. Let's see here. Oh, there's even like a little castle right there too. I don't know. Trying to find that London Lounge. I asked a few people, they don't really know. The Google Maps doesn't really work very well, so it's actually, that's the other issue too. It just doesn't really pinpoint with any accuracy where you're at, so it's like I'd have to use a different kind of site to do it properly. Huh, that's weird. McDonald's advertisement right there. So anyways, I guess what I'm gonna do is just walk up to this main road and try to I don't know, but you can see my dilemma, right? I just can't. I feel like that's the area because it feels like it, but I don't know. Anyways, let's keep on exploring Zhuhai. Maybe we have to abort it and do something different, but I'm gonna keep trying. I'm gonna see what else is up here and figure it out. Okay, I started exploring more. It says it's right in here, so I am in the right spot. It's just a matter of going down the right spot. So let me see. It says it's on alley number 2. There's 4. Here's 3. I swear I went down alley 2 in all the alleys. So it's anyways, we're back, and I think we're gonna find it in a moment. This is a pretty cool area though. I can see why this would be a popular bar space to get drinks. So I think it's gonna be up in here, maybe back in this space, or up there, because there's a big London booth up there. So let's walk up there and kind of see. It's funny because I saw that earlier and I was thinking that it could be it. Live house. This feels like it's, oh man, if it's it. It was right here. But yeah, that's a London phone booth. Live house. It's gotta be it. Is there more up here? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna explore a little bit more. Maybe the lighthouse is a London one. I don't know. Look at these bands. Windy Wonder. The Foreigners. Livehouse. The Livehouse. There's a. Is that here? I guess it is. So anyways, it's kind of interesting though. This Livehouse does have like all these places to put your bags. You got some people practicing right now. And of course all the shows as well. Okay, I still gotta find the Londoner, so I did find a lighthouse, which I wasn't looking for, but kind of cool. Nice drums. Okay, let's go try to find that live. The London Lounge. Got the London phone booth. Gotta be close. Hello? How do I find your place? I'm still looking, but you got some other cool stuff in here. Got Japanese ones, and then this one is really cool right in here. This is actually called the Maisel. So this actually has burger, taco, pasta, and a bar as well. So okay, so we're gonna keep on looking for the Londoner. We'll see if we can find it or not. So far nobody really knows where it is. It's like, but it's in this area somewhere. But yeah, people don't seem to know it, which is kind of interesting. Okay, we'll keep on looking for it. So actually I just went into this place. This is called the Tourist Bureau right there, and they just told me that that place is no longer open anymore. So now it's actually that Livehouse that when I saw up on top, that was actually where the Londoner was. So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to get out of here, go to another area altogether. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
Toma cuidado la